Okay, next topic is slicing, and slicing is a very important idea, okay, and sometimes can be confusing. Okay, so slicing is you take a list, or it can be a string, and then you slice a part of it. Okay, and when you do that, okay, slicing, what it does is that the left side is included, the right side is not. So it's inclusive on the left side, exclusive on the right side. And here is how they explain it. Okay, so you start from, okay, so like that's the 0th point. Okay, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. So when you say 0 to 4, it will go up to that point. And the 4th element, or element occupying the index 4 itself, is not included. Okay, so this can be confusing. So you have to get used to this concept. So for example, we have, say, a sequence 7, 2, 3, 7, 5, 6, 0, 1. Okay. Now, the slicing is done with square brackets. Okay, not any other bracket. It has to be square bracket. If you use any other kind of bracket, it's going to throw an error. Then, if you say 1 colon 5, okay, so that means it's going to peel off. Okay, so that's 0. Okay, now it's going to start from that index. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will end. Okay, 5 is not included. So it's going to give you 2, 3, 7, and 5. Okay, you can use if you take a slice, okay. So now you are specifying, okay, now 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. So seven, 2, 3, right? So it's going to start at 3, third position, which is right after 7, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, and the third position is where that gets inserted. Okay, in place of 3. So now 3 is gone, 7 is out. 7 is taken out. Okay, 3 to 4 will be just 7, because 4 is not included. So that's taken out, and in its place, this is inserted. Okay. Then there is the implicit. Okay, so you normally give 2 start and stop, right? A colon B. Okay. Now if you leave out one of the 2, so that means you skip over all of that. Okay. So if you go like 5, okay, sequence 5, right? So you're going to start with the index of 5. Okay? And then if you don't specify anything after the colon, that means everything is included after that. So it will start with position 5, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then everything included. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all of the rest. And you could do the reverse too. Okay, so you don't specify anything on the left side, so that means everything on the left side will be included. And then you say, where do you want to end? So you want to end, so you'll have here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the last one is not included. On the, remember, always left is inclusive, right is exclusive. Okay. Now you can also, the index position has a negative value too. So here this shows the left to right index position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you use a negative sign, so that means you start from the right and go left. Okay. So now, say we want sequence, okay. Minus 6 to minus 3, for example. Okay. So minus 6 will be like well, we need to see what it is. Let's we made some changes, so let's look at what it is. Okay, so minus 6. So you start from right to left. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, minus 1 is that. Sorry. So the right to left will start from minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 6 through 1, 2, 3. Minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And the right side is exclusive, so it doesn't extend up to 6. So the sequence, the slice ends with 5. Okay. Okay, now we can specify, okay, right? If you say minus 4 and then a colon. Okay. So same like before, okay, except that the fourth index position you're going to have to count from the right instead of from the left. Okay. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, and you start from there and everything to the right. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the rest of it. Okay. And similarly, we can have like that, say -5. So everything from the left up to the index of -5. So it starts from 7 to 3. So now -5 will be -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is not included, so it stops with 3. Okay, and then you can also use 2 colons. So start from 1 sequence of 1, 2 colons up to say 7. So start from 0, 1, right? And then -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, this is, you need to do, I made a mistake. So if you have 2 colons under 2, then it will start with the leftmost item, and then it will jump like that 2 over. It will skip. Okay, so it will go to the second, not the first to the right, but the second to the right in every time. It will jump over. Okay. Skips to every other element. Okay. So these are some slicing operations that we can do with a list.